Students, today we are going to solve exercise 1C class 8 advanced maths question number 311. 32 base 8 is given and we have to convert this into the decimal system. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. This question is given in the form octal, which means 32 base 8, and we have to convert this into the decimal system, means base 10. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, first of all I will write here solution, then I will write this question again, 32 base 8. Now student, look here, 32, look, 3 2, there is only 2 digits, so first of all I will write here 3 into, there is the base 8, after 3 how many are the digit here? Only 2, means 1 digit. I repeat again, 32 means 2 digit. First I will write here 3, then base is 8, I will write here 8, then after 3 how many are the digit? 1, that's why I will write here 1. Then I will write 2 into base 8, I will write, then after 2 how many are the digit? No digit, means 0, I will write here 0, which means that 3 into 8 plus 8 to the power 1 means 8, and 2 into 8 to the power 0 means 1, which means anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 into 8 how much? 24. 24 plus 2, which means 26. 26 base 10. As because in the question it says that we have to convert into decimal, so base 8 from base 10, this is the answer. So last line I will write like this, that 32 base 8 equal to 26 base 10. This is the answer of the first question. Students, now we are going to solve question number 3, Roman 2, 143 base 6 expressed in decimal system. So here is base is 6, so we have to convert into the decimal, means base 10. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. First of all I will write here solution, then I will write here 143 base 6. Now if it is base 6, then first of all 1 into base is 6, I will write here 6. Then how many are the digit? 4 3 means 2 digit, we will write here 2. Then 4 into base is 6 again, after 4 how many are the digit? 1 means 3, after 1 2 digit, 4 and 3, that's why written 2 here. Now after writing 4 base 6, how many are the digit? 3 only, which means 1 digit remaining, so we'll write here 1. Then 3 into base 6, after 3 how many are the digit? No digit, means we'll write here 0. So 6 square is 36, and 4 6 are how much? 24, and 3 into 60 over 1, 60 over 0 means 1, so 3 into 1 is 3. So here 36 plus 24 how much? 6 plus 4 10, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3, which means 63, and base 10, since in the question it says that convert to decimal, so base 10. So last line this will be like this, 143 base 6 equal to 63 base 10. This is the answer of the Roman 2. Now student, in this way I am going to solve the question number 3, Roman 3, 1101 base 2 expressed into the decimal. Now students, look one thing, whatever is the digit may be, 32 base 8 or 143 base 6 or 1101 base 2 or 645 base 7, 1165 base 8, whatever is the digit may be and whatever is the base may be, same way like 3 Roman 1, like 3 Roman 2, and now I am going to solve 3 Roman 3, same way we have to convert into the decimal. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. First of all I will write here solution, then 1101 base 2. This Roman 3 also I am going to solve like the previous one. First I will write here 1, then base is 2, we will write here 2, then 1 2 3, 3 digits are there, 2 cube, then 1 into base 2, then after 1 how many are the digit? 2 digit, write 2, then 0 into base 2, after 0 only 1 digit is there, 1, then 1 into base 2, after 1 how many are the digit? No digit, means 0, will write here. Same way, whatever is the digit may be, whatever is the base may be, same way we have to convert into the decimal. That's why I am not going to solve all the questions similarly. So you will just go through one by one all sums. Only question number 1 to 3 I have done now, and we'll move to the some other sum. So 2 cube 8, 2 square 4, there is 0, and 2 to the power 0 means 1, which means 1 into 1 is 1. So 8 plus 4 how much? 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 base 3. So last line I will write that 1101 base 2 equal to 13 base 10. This is the conversion of the binary to decimal. Now student, the next question is 3 Roman 8. Students, already I said that similar way we are going to solve all the sums. Now here it is given CD2. We know that base 16 means hexadecimal, and CD is the part of the hexadecimal. So I will now going to solve the question number 3 Roman 8. Solution: CD2 base 16. Similar way we'll write here C into base 16. Now after C, how many are the digit? 2. We'll write here 2 only. Then D into base 16. After D, how many are the digit? Only 2, means 1 digit. We'll write here 1. Then 2 into base 16. After 2, how many are the digit? No digit, which means 0. So in hexadecimal C is 12. In hexadecimal C is 12, and 16 square is 256. It is not like 16 to the 32, not like this. 16 into 16 means 256. In hexadecimal D is 13, and 16 1 is 16, and 2 into 16 over 0 means 1. Now if we go for the multiplication with 256 256, look here, 256, then 12. Go for the multiplication. 6 to the 12, carry 1. 5 to the 10, plus 1, 11, carry 1. 2 to the 4, plus 1, 5. Now 6 1 is 6, 5 1 is 5, 2 1 is 2. So 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3072. After multiplying this one, 3072. Now 13 into 16. If I go for the multiplication here again, 13 into 16. So what will happen? Look here, 13 into 16, 16 into 13, 3 6 is 18, carry 1, 3 1 is 3, plus 1 4, and 6 1 is 6, 1, 8, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, means 208, and 2 1 is 2. Now if we go for the addition, this is a rough part. This is the rough part actually. Now if I go for the addition here, now look what will happen if I go for the addition here again with 73072 and 208, and last one is 2. Then 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 2 and 3, 3282, 3282. And here I will write here base 10, because 16 to the conversion of decimal system of means 10. So last line this will be, therefore CD2 base 16 equal to 3282 base 10. This is our answer. This is the rough part. That's why I am striking out this rough part. Now student, we are going to solve 3 Roman 9. Same question expressed into the decimal system. Look here, in your book the question is given IA6. I repeat again, in your book or in the main book it is given IA6. It is not IA. The question is given wrong in the main book. It is not I, it is 1A6, because 1 is a part of 16 means what? Hexadecimal. 6 is a part of hexadecimal. 1 is a part of hexadecimal. A is a part of hexadecimal. I is not the part of hexadecimal. That's why this should not be I. This is 1. Now how to solve this one? I will write here solution, then 1A6 base 16, and similar way I will write here now. Just after that, 1 into base 16. Now after 1, how many are the digit? 2 digit. We will write here 2 only. Then A into base, after A how many are the digit? 6, means 1 digit. So we will write here 1. Then after that 6 into 16 into, after 6 how many are the digit? No digit, means 0. So 16 square is 256. It is not like 16 to the 32, mind it. And after that, in hexadecimal, a means 10. 10 into 16 means, okay, then 6 into 1. So 256 plus 16 into 10 means 160 and 6. Now if you go for the addition with this one, so 6 plus 6, look here, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 2, sorry, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1. 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Sorry, 5 plus 6, 11, plus 1, 12. Sorry, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1. 5 plus 6, 11, plus 1, 12, 2, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. 4, 2, 2. Base 10. This is the answer. So I will write here the last line. 1 is 6, base 16 equal to 4, 2, 2, base 10. This is the answer. And this is the conversion of hexadecimal to the binary. Sorry, hexadecimal to the decimal. I repeat again. This is the conversion of hexadecimal means base 16 to the decimal system means base 10. Now students, we are going to solve question number 5 expressed in binary numerals. These are the question: 12 base 3, 102 base 3, 412 base 4, 137 base 8. We have to convert all this question into the binary numerals. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. I will solve Roman 1 and Roman 2. 3 and 4 will be homework you will do, like the way I do 1 and 2. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. First of all, I will write here solution. Solution. Then first of all, I will convert 12 base 3 into the decimal, then decimal to binary. Now 12 base 3 equal to 1 into base is 3. After 1, how many digit? Only one digit means 1. Then 2 into base 3. Since base is 3 here, then after 2, how many digit? No digit means 0. So 3 1 ja 3, and anything to the word 0 means 1. So 2 1 ja 2, which means this become 5 base 10. This one conversion into the decimal. Now after that, I will go for the conversion of binary. This question to the binary. How to solve this one? 5 divide by 2. Since it is binary, so we'll divide by 2 only, because the base of binary is 2. So 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 1. Then 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 0. So this 12 base 3 equal to the binary value. We will start from the bottom to the top. 101 base 2. This is the conversion of binary from 12 base 3. Initially we'll do conversion of 12 base 3 to the decimal means base 10, then decimal to binary. Similar way I will do Roman 2 now. Roman 2 means 102. Now look here how to solve this one. Now question number Roman 2, I will write here solution Roman 2 now. Solution Roman 2, this is 102 base 3. Now how to solve this one? Look, initially I will solve this one base 102 base 3 into decimal first. How to solve it? 1 into base 3. Now after 1, how many are the digit? 2 digit, right here 2 now. Then 0 into base 3. After 0, how many digit? 1. We'll write here 1 now. After that 2. After that 2. Then if it is 2, then how many are the digit after 2? No digit means 0. So 3 square is 9, and 0 into 3 means 0, and 2 into 1 means 2. So 9 plus 2 how much? 11 base 10. Now we'll go for the conversion of 11 base 10 into binary. How to solve this one? Look, 11, and since it is binary, we'll divide by 2 only. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 1. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Again 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So this one, this could be written 102 base 3 equal to, this will start from the bottom, 1011 1011 1011 base 2. This is the conversion of 102 base 3 into the binary. Students, I have done only Roman 1 and 2. Roman 1 and 2 I have done here, and Roman 3 and 4 you will solve similar way. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.